As Dave Selves, the fun guy with Tennessee Event Specialist, I'm coming to you. It is only May and it is already 94 degrees and squelching hot out here. We are trying to break the heat here at the house today by trying out this brand new water slide. And as you can see in the back, this is not only a water slide, it is Tennessee's only foam slide. So this unit right here is fun for everybody, fun for adults, kids of all ages. You can use it with foam or you can use it with water, your choice. It comes with, in the rental price, you get it for 24 hours for $575 plus the delivery, and you get 4 hours of foam. You can buy additional foam packages to make your party last even longer, or once the foam runs out, then you can just switch over and use it like a regular water slide. This thing's gonna be the best thing to break the heat this summer. The kids all love it, the adults all love it. This thing has been a blast and our family is having a great time. Check it out, here's a video, show you everything about it. Alright guys, you've got to check this thing out in the video. Now let's bring it home to your house. Go online, TennesseeEventSpecialist.com. You can see our brand new website, easy online ordering. You can pay for your order. You can set it all up right there. We'll have this thing straight out to your house. We'll see you soon.